Bounnhang Vorachit is a Laotian politician. He was previously General Secretary of the Lao People's Revolutionary Party and President of Laos from 2016 to 2021. Bounnhang Vorachit joined the Pathet Lao resistance movement in 1951 and worked in the propaganda department of the armed forces in Savannakhe. In 1956, he was transferred to the fighting troops. He studied in Vietnam from 1958 to 1961. Then returned to Laos to help prepare for the conquest of Luang Namtha province. After the victory in Luang Namtha in 1962, he returned to Vietnam and studied at a military college. In 1964, he returned to Laos and in 1969, became head of the organizing committee of the province Sheng Kuang. In 1972, he became deputy commander of the Northern Front in Luang Prabang province. Here he also joined the coalition in 1974 and became party secretary of the defense forces of the neutral city Luang Prabang. In 1976 he became political leader of the armed forces of the northern half of the country. In 1978, he returned to Vietnam to study political theory. In 1981, he became political leader of the armed forces. And in the same year up to 1991, he also worked as governor of Savannakhe province until 1996, when he became deputy prime minister. Prior to becoming prime minister in 2001, he served as deputy prime minister since 1996. In addition, he was from 1996 to 1999 chairman of the Lao-Vietnamese Cooperation Committee and from 1999 to 2001, Minister of Finance. On the 26th of March 2001, he was elected chairman of the Council of Ministers of Laos. On the 8th of June 2006, he was followed by the former first deputy prime minister Bounnhang Vorachit in the office of prime minister. He himself became Vice President of the Democratic People's Republic of Laos on March 8, 2006 and thus deputy to Chumali Saya Zone. Bounnhang's ties with Vietnam run deep. He underwent military training there and, after taking part in founding the Lao People's Democratic Republic in 1975, he studied socialist thought there. He became Vice President on the 8th of June 2006. When Bounnhang Vorachit was appointed as Prime Minister at the 10th Congress of the Lao People's Revolutionary Party, he was elected to succeed Chumali Saya Zone as General Secretary on the 22nd of January 2016, effectively making him the leader of Laos. Bounnhang Vorachit is married to Khamung Vorachit and is father of 3 sons and 2 daughters. At the 11th Congress of the Lao People's Revolutionary Party, he stepped down as General Secretary in favor of Thang Lon Sisolat.